Here we are over in California paying our clients and our partners a visit.
This is Tony with Air Turbine Tools, here with Google today. Hey guys, Tony here with Air Turbine. Today we are spending a little time with our friends at Method Machine. Hermele, just showing some love today at CNC Solution.
Very excited, just got welcomed by the man himself.
What's up everybody, this is Titan from Titans of CNC.
Pleased to be in the facility, get to see hands-on how our tool has improved production here and how we're taking it to the next level.
Today we're running tutorials for our industry to teach them CAD, CAM, and CNC machining. Air Turbine Tools has partnered with me and my team, along with Kennametal and Royal and Mighty Byte and these other great partners, to basically create this platform to lift up this industry, and we're teaching America and beyond how to compete and how to do it on a high level. No matter what the material, no matter what the project, there is always a way to get it done. There's always a tool. These guys stand for greatness. I actually run their spindles. Boom, got one right here. I could not do it without these guys, Air Turbine Spindles, Air Turbine Tools. This spindle is truly amazing because they allow me to take a machine like this that has 12,000 RPMs, put another spindle in there, take it up to 40, 50, 60, 90,000 RPMs. This simple tool right here is what allows us to compete on the highest levels and win those bids. You guys have an amazing team now. Thank you so much for what you do.
My pleasure.
Boom.
We'll see you guys soon.